Hey YouTube. This is my classroom. This is my desk right here. Sean Paul. Me and Sean Paul. Somebody. Me and my best friend, how my world. Me and my best friend right there, and my white friend Rover. That's my grandpa, Michael Jackson again, Drake. I'm going to a concert tomorrow. Me and Sean Paul, my purse. This song I was about to sing. My boring schoolwork that I'm passing. My little white friend over there. My black friend over there. That teacher way up in the front. My best friend right here. My other friend. Who's that friend? Good Travis. Here's a Quentin Squarehead right there. There's Quentin. There's Josh sitting, and this is with a face chair. I'm recording this. Travis watching TV there. Trisha, stop burping. There go Aaron. There go Miss Clark. Uh-oh, bye. How do I turn this thing off? Button. What button?